The Honda CB1300 is a notable bike that encapsulates power, complexity, and an immortal plan. Since its presentation, it has spellbound riders with its strong presence and elating execution. In this extensive audit, we will dive into the highlights, riding experience, and generally speaking allure of the Honda CB1300. Design. The CB1300 requests consideration with its intense and solid styling. Its immortal plan joins components of retro and present-day feel, making an amicable mix that requests to a large number of riders. From its huge round headlamp to its strong gas tank and smooth tail segment, each perspective radiates a feeling of certainty and polish. The form quality is brilliant, with tender loving care apparent all through the cruiser. Engine and performance. At the core of the Honda CB1300 lies a strong 1,284 cubic centimeters inline-4 motor, which delivers a great flood of force. With smooth and straight power conveyance, the CB1300 easily speeds up, making surpassing a breeze. The motor conveys a fantastic thunder, adding to the generally speaking tangible experience. Whether you're cruising on the roadway or handling twisty mountain streets, the CB1300 offers a directing presentation that imparts trust in the rider. Handling and ride comfort. The CB1300 finds some kind of harmony among deftness and solidness. Its hardy casing and very much tuned suspension give an agreeable and created ride, even on lopsided surfaces. The bike feels planted and certain while cornering, permitting riders to investigate the constraints of their abilities. The ergonomics are thoroughly examined, with an open-to-seating position that advances significant distance visiting without causing weakness. The breeze insurance from the fairing is viable, lessening wind slamming at high paces. Features and technology. Albeit the CB1300 zeroes in erring on the customary riding experience, it actually consolidates a few current elements. It incorporates a LCD instrument board that gives indispensable data, for example, speed, RPM, fuel level, and stuff position. In any case, it misses the mark on broad electronic guides tracked down on a few contemporary cruisers. While this might speak to perfectionists who favor a really captivating ride, riders looking for cutting-edge highlights like foothold control and riding modes might find the CB1300 ailing in that perspective. Safety. The Honda CB1300 is outfitted with a dependable slowing mechanism involving double front circles and a solitary back plate, major areas of strength for offering power. The consideration of ABS, stopping automation, guarantees protected and controlled slowing down in different circumstances. While it might not have the most recent security advances, the CB1300's responsive dealing with and slowing down abilities move certainty and add to generally speaking rider well-being. Conclusion. The Honda CB1300 is a bike that endures for an extremely long period, consolidating exemplary style with thrilling execution. Its strong motor, exact taking care of, and agreeable ergonomics pursue it a brilliant decision for riders looking for an exhilarating and charming riding experience. While it might come up short on of the high-level elements found in more up-to-date cruisers, the CB1300's immortal plan and strong form quality guarantee it stays an appealing choice for riders who value a mix of force and style. In the event that you're looking for a cruiser that offers a connecting with ride while blowing some people's minds any place you go, the Honda CB1300 ought to without a doubt be on your wait list.